Hello friends. You know, quiz channels are doing exceptionally well. And the most important thing is all these channels are getting monetization. And even with AI voice, they are working on different types of quiz. So, it is not possible to show all in a single video. I will make few more videos on quiz. Today I will show you how you can make quiz videos on guess the country by the flag and guess the country by the map. You can follow the same process for guess the country by the landmark, guess the country by the person, guess the country by the actor, and so on. I will use only Canva for this video. So let's start. So this is Canva Dashboard. Here click on Create Design and search YouTube video. Here is YouTube video. Click on it. We made the video on Japan, and we are using free version of Canva. So first we need video background. For video background, first click on Elements and then Background. Then from video option you will get lot of videos. I'm selecting this one. Now adjust it with the frame. It's a 30-second video. I'll make it 10 seconds by changing here. Make it 10. Now I need a rectangular shape. So just get one from Elements. Resize it and place it at the top. Now take another shape. Resize and place it here. Now duplicate two more of it. These boxes are for your options. Now give a different color to this box from this option. I'm selecting this one. Change the color of these shapes also. You can select any color. Selecting this one. Use the same color for all three boxes. Now we need text. So from text option, add a heading. Right here, guess the country. Place it over this box. Change the font size and adjust it. Now we need text for these three boxes. We will use three country name here including our answer. So click on text. Add a heading. Now write a country name as an option. Like Korea. Duplicate this text box. Write another country named Japan. It is our answer. Duplicate it. Think, our third option is England. Now we will change the font. Click here. Here is the font list. Choose anyone from the list. Now click on Change All. It will change all the text font of your video. Adjust all the text inside the box. We need a frame now. So from Elements search Rectangle Frame. I am selecting this frame. Place it here. Now from the Elements search Japan flag. Go to Video. I am selecting this one. Now adjust it. And bring it over the frame. The flag will automatically adjust with the frame. The flag video is a 30-second long video. We need to make it 10 seconds as our main video will be 10 seconds long. Change the time from here. Now we need a timer. From Elements search Timer. For free subscription there is not too much option for timer. I am selecting this one from graphics option. Now place it at the bottom.
Now we will group each shape and text box. Like first select text box, then press Shift and click rectangular box. Click on Group. Repeat the process for all options including the top box. Now animation. First select the flag. Select animation from the top. Now select animation from this list. I am selecting wipe animation for the flag. Now select all options. Select rise animation for all three options. You can choose any one. Now we will adjust the timing. Select the flag first. Right-click on it. Select Show Timing. I'll start adjust timing from here. So bring the start point here. After few moments first option will come. After few moments second option will come. And after that third option will come. After the third option, timer, will come. Also give an animation for this timer. Selecting pop. Now check the video. We need timer sound effect now. We can get it from YouTube. Visit YouTube. Search complete sound effect. Lots of option here. You can use them. Now download the audio format of the video, not the video format. Also search clock sound effect. And download the MP3 format. I have already downloaded and uploaded here in Canva. So I am selecting upload option in Canva. Click on audio. Here is our uploaded file. First I am selecting clock timer sound. This sound will start with the timer. And when the sound will end, our timer will end. So adjust the timer and timer sound effect.
Except answer other two options will end with the timer also. So select both options and adjust its timing with the timer. Now add the other audio. It will appear with the answer. Click on it. It will start just after clock sound. Adjust it. Now check it. When the answer will appear, one tick mark will appear also. So click on Elements. Right tick mark in Search. From Graphics, check your favorite one. Lots of options here. I am going for this one. Now just adjust it and place it over the answer. It will appear when the timer will end. So adjust its timing. Also give this tick mark an animation. Selecting pop animation for it. Now check the video. Now I need to add one background music. I have already downloaded one music track from YouTube. Uploading that now. Click and add it with the timeline. At first, decrease the volume of this audio track by clicking here. Adjust the volume. Now adjust it with the timeline. It will start from the beginning and end before the timer. It will again start after the timer. So bring this track again in the timeline. Adjust it with the timeline. Now start this track just after the timer ends. Decrease the volume. And adjust it. Now our video is ready. Let's check it out. So our Guess the Country by the Flag video is ready. Now duplicate the page. This portion will be Guess the Country by the map. Also copy the music track layer and paste it in this page. Adjust the soundtrack with the timeline. As it is for map guessing video, so we need to download one map of Japan from Google. Visit Google. Download one map. Now visit remove.bg. Upload the map image here. And remove the map background. Download it. Upload it now Canva. Now we will delete both frame and map. As this video we are making for map guessing video, we need one rectangular shape. Import one from elements again. Resize and place it here. Give it a color from color option. Before select, think about the map color. Obviously map color and the shape color will be different. I am going for this color. Also add a border. Add a new border color. Selecting white. Now bring the map image on the timeline from the upload option. Pressing Shift select both map and the shape. Now group it. Right-click on it. Select Show Timing. Adjust the timing of the flag. Now we will animate it. Click on Animate. Select one animation you like. Now check the video. So this is the simplest way to make Guess the Country by the flag and Guess the Country by the map. You can follow the same process for Guess the Country by the landmark, Guess the Country by the person, Guess the Country by the actor, and so on. So it's your time now to start.